Good morning, everyone. I'm back home again. Today's Monday. It's laundry time. See my flowers here. Nice. I'm planning to sell some of my flowers to my new store in town. That's my plan, guys. I want to start selling my flowers here because I have so many flowers. Because flowers won't rot. See, let's walk here, guys. I want you to show you that I'm doing laundry. Just a glance. Our yard is not really clean yet because I was so busy. Oh, it's off. I need to start. There. I have so many dirty clothes, guys, because I just picked up yesterday the powder. Because it is really uh, wasting money if I always go. We will go to town every day. Imagine every trip there I spend 300 pesos for the trike. And if me and Philip will go there buying pick up some grocery, we give the driver 400 pesos. So it is really a lot of money to spend if I always go to town. So that is why I will just open my new store there every Sunday. And thank you guys for your good idea sharing what should I do on my little store to improve to attract some customers. And I am so happy for your brilliant suggestion. So thank you so much, guys. So I'll just make it one at a time. It's because uh, I will just open there every Sunday, then at least I lock the house, and it maintain the cleanliness of the house too. So yesterday when I was there, I was uh, scrubbing the floor and cleaning the window, the glass window, because they are so dusty. So look at my gabi, guys. I replanted this one last week because these are the gabi from there on the garden, but did not grow there in the box. The dog will eat. I don't know why they ate that one. And look at the zinnia I replanted. I love zinnia, guys. These are the plants that I pick up there in Tagbilaran at the flower show. Mission accomplished, guys. These are the plants that when I took a video when we went to Bigon at the plaza. I said, wow, where can I get this one? I really like this plant. Now I've got it. Guess what? It's 100 pesos a piece. Very pricey. I said, can I buy this one for 80 pesos. No. Oh my god, this must be imported plants. But it's super cute, really. I really like. Looks like a pine tree. Then I started slowly here my lettuce again. So these are from the previous lettuce because they produce flower. Then I took the flower, then I planted to the pots. So here they are, guys. I still have here more, but they are not quiet here. I planted the seeds here. So the lettuce that I have before, that's organic. I have here. He will grow soon. Then these are the grapes did not grow. Then I have more lettuce here. I just spread everywhere. I have here too. And this one needs to be replanted to Philip's garden. Ampalaya and the cucumber. Oh, my beloved hard-working husband. Philip hauled me a dirt again. Wow, a lot of dirt. I'm gonna be busy, more busy. I don't care. Oh, I enjoy here. I enjoy gardening. Look, guys, my succulent. Very nice, very nice. This no, there is no thorn. I was looking this one in on Tagbilaran at the flower show, but they don't have like this. And then this one uh will produce flower. Wow, so nice. There is no thorn. This one is not sharp. It's like plastic. Nice to touch. Very nice. So let's move here. I have sunflower here. Sunflowers growing now. I need to replant that one on the ground. My papaya I did not plant yet. Very busy, Beth. My kangkong. I need to cut this one, give to the pig. So that's it, guys. And I saved some of the pepper that never grow before. Now they're coming back. So this one is I planted again tomato seeds here. The one I planted before, this one did not survive, so I plant quick 3 days ago. So I still have more here. Deal I put to the big pots because I think they like on the big pots too. So let's move here, guys. They're looking good, but needs to sweep the ground again and again. So these are my garden flower. So nice. I love it. My runner here. So nice, really. Very nice. This is beautiful, guys. Look, I am so excited. The flower here, these are the one that Joseph, Sally, and Nat gave to me this one, and the other one here. They're still alive, Joseph. And here, yeah, so nice. A lot of vine. So excited, guys. This is fantastic too. I am not sure, I forgot the flower here. They're vine. Very nice. So cute to look at. And I have some ground orchids. Beautiful color, white. Another one. So see my chrysanthemum, guys. I rearranged a while ago. Let's move backward so you can see the view. That's my chrysanthemum. And on top is aloe vera. I want to plant more aloe vera because aloe vera is herbal. So that's it, guys. My lovely flower garden. So excited every day. Every time I woke up, I walk here and just look around my garden. The flowers. It's super duper nice. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you, subscribers. I love you all, subscribers. Thank you so much, subscribers, for watching uh, my videos as well as my ads. It helps a lot. Thank you so much. Bye for now. God bless everyone.